So, ito yung proposal ko for STEM org. Project medal, may meaning na motivating excellence, dedication, and learning. So, ginawa ko to noong June 14. Target audience na ito syempre yung STEM students. Tapos project duration na ito is full 3 term na ibig sabihin is buong panuruan na o buong school year na itong mapapatupad. Punta tayo sa proposal summary. This project aims to recognize and motivate STEM students by awarding certificates and medals to those who actively participate in STEM-related activities. So, ito yung project na mamimigay tayo ng medals, certificates to those students who participate in o participating in STEM-related activities. And sabi nga dito, through this recognition program, student will feel valued for their efforts, encouraged to continue engaging in scientific and technological pursuits, and inspired to excel in both academic and extracurricular STEM initiatives. So, by celebrating participation and achievements, the project fosters a culture of appreciation, motivation, and excellence within the STEM community. So, makakatulong talaga siya para sa ating mga STEM students to continue and to pursue more efforts for the STEM-related activities. So, punta naman tayo sa project objectives. First is to formally acknowledge students who take part in STEM activities through certificates and medals. So, ito yung pinaka-highlight talaga ng project proposal ko. Giving certificates and medals sa mga STEM students who participate in STEM activities. Next, to inspire students to strive for higher performance and dedication in STEM fields. So, ito ang sinasabi ko kanina. So, sa pagbibigay natin ng certificates and medal, namomotivate yung mga STEM students na to pursue more, to give more efforts in activities, to participate more, na hindi sila mawalan ng gana na sumali sa mga activities ng STEM. Next is to increase student involvement in STEM-related events, competitions, and the projects. So, ito nga yung para mas lalo pa silang mag-pursue to events, competitions, and projects ng STEM. Next naman tayo to establish a tradition of recognition that strengthens the STEM community and motivates future participation. So, yun nga yung pag nagbibigay tayo ng mga certificates and medals sa mga future na mga events, sa mga future na competition, mas lalo silang may involved doon. Mas lalong dadami yung magpa-participate through that events, through the or competitions. So, punta tayo sa implementation plan. So, phase 1 tayo, planning and preparation. First, design certificates and medals with STEM team branding. Siyempre, gagamitin natin yung STEM team branding natin. Kasi for STEM to Siyempre, common sense. Next is to secure budget and materials for printing and medal production. Ito yung pinakakailangan natin. Siyempre, pera, budget for this kind of project na magkaroon tayo ng materials for printing and medal production. So, punta naman tayo sa phase 2. First, collect participant data from STEM activities. So, ano nga ba yung nakuha nung participant na yon from STEM activities? First place ba siya? Second place ba siya? Third place ba siya? Or meron siyang participation award? Para maibigay natin ng tama yung certificates or awards. Next tayo, verify eligibility based on attendance and performance. So, kung wala siya doon sa mismong event o activities, syempre wala siyang award, wala siyang makukuhang certificate. And sa performance, kung natanggal siya or natalo, kailangan i-consider yon as eligibility. Dahil yun nga, merong tamang pagbibigay ng certificate o award sa isang participant. Next, prepare award list and distribute certificates and medal during a recognition program. So, ito na yung pag-prepare natin ng award list and pagdi-distribute natin ng certificates and medals during recognition program. So, ito na yung pamimigay natin ng awards, certificates sa mga nag-participate, sa mga nanalo, or kung may mga places, so yun. Doon na tayo magbibigay ng award or certificates. So, proceed tayo. Phase 3, evaluation and continuity. First, gather feedback from students about the recognition process. So, kailangan natin mag-gather ng feedback ng isang estudyante about sa mga awards na binigay, sa mga certificates, or yung daloy ng programa, kung ano ba maganda or maayos. Next, assess impact on student motivation and participation rates. So, dito na tayo titignan natin kung ano ba yung mga pinagbago sa mga estudyante. Simula nung mabigyan sila ng mga certificates, mga awards, through event or through competitions. Kung lalo ba silang ginanahang sumali, lalo ba silang ginanahang mag-participate, and lalo silang nagbigay ng efforts and time for that activity or competition. So lastly, expected outcomes and impact. So the recognition program through certificates and medals in STEM activities is expected to motivate students by making them feel valued for their efforts. This acknowledgement will boost confidence, encourage excellence, and inspire greater participation in workshops, competitions, and research projects. As more students engage, collaboration and teamwork will naturally grow, strengthening the STEM community within the school. Beyond individual achievements, the project fosters a culture of appreciation that unites students and teachers, creating pride in STEM involvement. Over time, this initiative can become a sustainable tradition, ensuring continuous motivation and recognition. Ultimately, the program's impact lies in shaping confident, motivated learners who carry their STEM experiences into future academic and professional pursuits. So, yun lang ang kabuuang project proposal ko, project medal, motivating excellence, dedication, and learning. Yan lang guys, thank you for listening. Sorry wala ako, nasa meeting. Sorry talaga. Thank you.